Thunderbird is a popular email client that you can use and connect your email service provider to in order to access your inbox. It has a beautiful, sleek design and lots of features. However, is it really better than Gmail if you are already using Gmail? In this video, I'll try to break it down and give you the answer. Now, Thunderbird has some advantages over Gmail. First of all, it works offline. So if you install the client or the app itself on your Windows, Mac, or your Android device, unfortunately, it's not available on iOS yet, you can access, read, and compose emails without an internet connection. Second, it does support multiple email providers. You can manage Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any email account in one place. Third, you get more privacy. So no ads, and your data isn't scanned for advertising purpose like Gmail. Also, it's highly customizable. You can use add-ons and themes to enhance functionality and UI. And you have better control over your emails. You have full control over your email storage, filtering, and encryption options. And finally, no Google dependence. It does work independently of Google's ecosystem. However, it does have some drawbacks compared to Gmail. And probably the biggest one is that it's not cloud-based. Emails are stored locally unless you use IMAP, which syncs them with the server. Second, it does require more complex setup, configuring email accounts manually, unlike Gmail's instant access. Also, there is no native iOS app as of yet. You can use it on Android, however, there isn't an iOS app as of yet. Also, it lacks some advanced features, like there is no built-in AI-powered features that you find in Gmail, like Gmail Smart Reply, Smart Compose, or spam filtering. Finally, it has less seamless integrations. It doesn't integrate as smoothly with Google Drive, Calendar, and other cloud-based services. So, in conclusion, is it better than Gmail? If you want the option to have it as an app on your computer to access your emails offline and compose emails offline, and you don't care much about the AI capabilities or integrations with other Google services, then I highly recommend using Thunderbolt. However, if you are using lots of Google services and you value the integration and seamless interaction with all Google apps, and you don't mind having your email, or you don't need having your email like on your computer locally, and you only want to access them online, then Gmail is the better option in your case.